everyone, this is Lakshmi from Sutri. So today I will be showcasing you the linen jamdani with Banarsi weaving, which you can wear any of the functions. They look absolutely amazing in any of the functions. Yes, lining is required. Those who want to go with the linens, I would like to inform you, please go for the loose fits. Linens look smart with the loose fits only. So these are going to be your top and dupatta set. And if you all require, if any of you required a bottom, then you can take a bottom from us also. But in that case, you need to give me 3 to 4 days for the dispatch time, and 350 rupees, there will be an extra charge. It will be a same color bottom, 2.5 meters will be the fabric, and it will be a cotton fabric. Alright, and now let's start. So price. Okay, and one more thing, how to book. In that case, you just need to take a screenshot of that product which you like to this number which is showing in this on the screen only, that is 8287 43379. These are purely hand woven linens, Jamdani linens with the Banarsi weavings. A proper festive wear collections, so you can wear it in any of the weddings also. So these are going to be your linens. So this is the most demanding color in your festive, that is your maroon color. So I'm starting with this one. So the price is 349. See, this is your top. This is your complete weaving. Look at the weaving. If you want to stand out in your party functions and want to wear something exclusive, something different, then you can go for these pieces. See, this is your top. You will get these kind of weavings in your top also. So this is the look. See, this is the golden border also, which you can use anywhere on the sleeves or anything. Go for styling as well. And this is going to be a beautiful dupatta. Again, the same weaving will be there. See, it's a completely hand weaving. This is your Banarsi weaving on your dupatta, and this is your complete dupatta. So if you talk about the look, so this is your look. A complete 2.5 meters will go for your dupatta, and top will be approximately 3 meters. So if, see, this is your amazing. So price is 3490. Now we will move to the second color. This is your gold color. Very pretty color, which is in the trend. Many people were asking for this color, so that's why I am showcasing you this color first. So this is your kind of gold mustard color. See. Okay, this is your zari. This is your top. Again, 3 meter top will be there. This is your look of the top, and again the dupatta. So this is your look. It's a full 2.5 meter of the dupatta. I hope now you can see the quality also. See. Completely hand woven fabric. Let's move to a third color. It's a very different color. I don't know what is the color. It's a very different color. So if you like a different colors, then go for this one. It's a very unique color. See. Again, the weavings will be the same. This is your weaving, and this is your top. See, this is your top. Okay. Now again, to approximately 3 meters will be the top, and if I talk about this is your dupatta. See, this is your 2.5 meters will be your dupatta, and approximately 3 meters will be your top. So let's move. It's Please, everyone's favorite purple color. This is going to be your color. This is your amazing purple color with the full Banarsi weaving of the dupatta. This is going to be a look. Again, price will be 3490 top and dupatta set. For bottom, you need to pay 350 rupees extra. All payment options are available. Booking number is mentioned on the screen. It's 8287 433 Move on to the silver zari. So this is having, all others were having a blue zari, so sorry, golden color zari. This blue is having a silver zari. See, design is the same. See, okay. This is your design, this is your linen, and this is your dupatta. What dark color. See, let's move on to the green color. So this is your green color. This is your, again the zari, and this is your top. Approximately again the 3 meters top fabric will be there. So this is your kind of bottle green it is. Okay? This is your bottle green color with the same Banarsi weaving. Price is again the same 3490 top and dupatta. Please explain. This is going to be your grey color. So this is your look. See. This is again a zari weaving, and this is your approximately 3.5 meters. Okay. And this is going to be your zari. Alright, this is your, again, price will be 3490 top and dupatta set, and for bottom 350 rupees extra. Again the blue color, but with the golden zari. So this is your, okay, and this is your dupatta. This is your dupatta with the, see, this is the look. Looks absolutely stunning when they got stitched. Now all-time favorite, the black color with the golden zari. This is your, I'm sorry, this is your dupatta, and sorry, this is your top with this black color weaving. Okay? Black golden weaving, and this is your top. And talk about the dupatta. So this is going to be your dupatta. This is your look number. This is your black color with golden zari. Price is again the same, 3490 top and dupatta set. For the bottom, 350 rupees extra. So with bottom, if you take a full set, the price will be 3840. So it's a magenta pink color. People ask, ma'am, is this, the color will be the same? Yes ma'am, color will be the same. See. Okay? This is your weaving, golden weaving, and this is your top, and this is your dupatta. See. This is your look of the suit set. So Price is again the same 3490. Beautiful magenta pink. And the last color goes to this with the silver zari. Your kind of maroonish color. This is your maroon color with the dark maroonish color with the silver. Okay. This is the look of the top, and this is your dupatta. That's all for the today. I hope you like my collection. Please like and share my videos to your friends and families, and keep shopping, and please like my videos as well. Have a nice day. Thank you. Dhanyavad.